Welcome, this is Canon Cost Ministries. I'm the Word Nerd. Let's dig deeper. If you are a new Christian looking for more information on your new walk with Christ, check out our free PDF, the Little Booklet, A Christian's First Steps. It's linked in the description. Today is episode 8 of Mapping Monday. Are you excited? I am. Today we will be studying in verse mapping Mark 8:34. Mark 8:34, and when he called the people unto him with his disciples also, he said unto them, Whosoever will come after me, let him deny himself, take up his cross, and follow me. A little bit of background knowledge before we jump into verse mapping is that Jesus, as you can tell right here, he has called the people and his disciples, so this is his disciples and all the people that surround him, which is normally called a multitude, so there's a lot of people most likely, and this is Jesus talking, as I did put it in red, so he is Jesus, and you would have to go back to verse 17 to see that, but he is reference to Jesus, so this is Jesus talking. So we're just going to get into the verse mapping, so we're only going to verse map what Jesus is saying. So let's jump into the verse mapping. So here we are. So we have whosoever. So whosoever is defined whatever person, no matter who. Will is expressing desire, consent, or willingness. Choice. Come is to approach or move towards something. After. So when you look this up in the Greek, it's an adverb, but then also it says that it can also be a preposition, so that's how I defined it as both. So in pursuit or quest of, subsequent to, in time or order, subsequent to, and in view of, so as to resemble in the characteristic manner of, so as to resemble in accordance with. Let is to cause to or allow. Take up, lift, carry, bear, pick up. Cross, an upright post with transverse beam bar as used in iniquity for crucifixion. And follow is to go after, move behind in the same direction, accept the authority of or give allegiance to conform to, comply with or act in accordance with, obey, to imitate or copy. So, I mean, just with follow me gives a whole thing, like, of showing that just by doing simple definitions really make you go even deeper within the word and coming to deeper conclusions about it. I mean, like, just if you define follow me, I mean, when Christ says follow me, he is saying so many things, but I like this because it's whosoever will. So it's a choice. He's saying, he's bidding you, he's asking you to come after me, and he's saying whosoever, like whoever wills, which is their choice to come after me. But the thing is there's a condition to that, right? So whosoever will come after me, let him deny himself. So remember, deny is to restrain oneself from gratification of desire. So he wants us to restrain ourselves from the flesh and deny what we want and take up our cross. So let's get into the interpretation. So my interpretation is Jesus is saying to all people everywhere to choose, which is an act of the will, to deny their self, which is pleasures of the flesh and selfish desires that are sinful, and anything that is taking more time from Christ and his work, and to take up their cross, which is put to death the old man, and to become born again, which is to follow him the rest of their life. So he died for you, so live for him. This verse is so awesome because he's saying, whoever will choose to follow me, deny yourself, follow me, and live for eternity. So I just love this verse. So hope you enjoyed this verse mapping Monday. I hope this inspired you and encouraged you to go deeper into God's Word. This is Counting the Cost Ministries. I'm the Word Nerd. Check out my Instagram if you want to see what I'm studying on a daily basis. Check out my blog for more information on these videos. And I'll see you in my next video. God bless.